We'll guide you through how to fix the Android keyboard not showing up. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because perhaps you're trying to go and open up an app like Chrome or somewhere else, and then when you go and tap somewhere where you want to go and type, the keyboard just doesn't show up. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's full guide to the different things you can try doing, and hopefully by the end, the keyboard will then go and be showing up and opening. So make sure it's a full guide and you don't skip anything, as we're covering important steps throughout this whole guide. So without any further ado, let's get into this. You want to go and swipe up like this, and what we need to do is go and locate the settings. They go look like this, swipe across to go and find it, and you can also go and search at the top as well. Now what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down here, and you want to go and find the option for General Management and go and tap on it. Find the option for Keyboard List and Default. If you're struggling to go and find this, you can always go and press the search in the top right and go and search for keyboard. Then in here, you want to go and press on the default keyboard. What you can do is go and switch the keyboard off, and then what you can do is go and switch it back on, press OK there. And what you want to do is in the default keyboard is you want to then make sure it's selected again. Now what you can do is go back and go and see if the keyboard will now open. If it still won't open, then what you want to do is you want to come back to your main settings here. Next, you need to go and find apps. And in apps, what we need to do is go and find Gboard. That's going to be the default keyboard your Android goes and uses. Once it's loaded, you want to go and scroll down and we're going to go and find Gboard. This is alphabetical, so we can come down to G to go and find it. Shouldn't be much longer. And let's go and find Gboard. As you can see, here it is. Go and tap on it. What you can do is go and press force stop in the bottom right and press OK. Next, you want to then scroll down and we're going to find the option for storage, and you want to go and click there. And in the bottom right, we can go and press clear cache. Now we've done that, you want to come out of here, and once again, you can go somewhere where you can go and open the keyboard. So I could go and open up Chrome once again, messages, wherever, and hopefully now the keyboard will go and open. If you're still finding it won't open, then what we should try doing is performing a restart. So you can go and tap and hold the side button on the side of your device. Then you can go and find the option for restart, press restart and confirm your decision. Now all you need to do is go and wait for it to come back on. When it comes back on, unlock it, and now hopefully when you try and use the keyboard, it's going to go and open up. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.